Hi, I'm Michael William Miller. I build practical systems for people who want structure, discipline, and real-world progress. Case Clarity Tools helps pro se litigants organize their case, documents, timeline, evidence, and courtroom preparation. Recovery Life System helps people rebuild their lives through structure, emotional regulation, health, discipline, and purpose. Resultz Trainer System helps new personal trainers build a client base without sounding pushy or using high-pressure sales tactics. 3 different projects, 1 clear mission. Help people stop guessing, get organized, rebuild with confidence, and move forward with purpose. Visit the links on the screen and choose the system that fits where you are right now.